Okay, today we are doing something about the Companionway because I have a bug problem and I want to keep them out, at least a kinda, and have a little bit of privacy. So let's do that. Well, the good thing about this new wall is that I have now better mounting points for everything. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna see this thing here for a second. Let me see how it goes. It goes this way around, right? Yeah. I want to have the other side. And I want to have that a little bit wider, like this probably. But I need to get it up as well, eh? So we're gonna mark this here. My pencil is always away where I need it. Maybe this one's still working. Like, kinda like here. Yeah, that works. But then I have this corner here as well, eh? What if I do it like this? Remove this here and remove a little part here. Yeah, I like this a lot more. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. I got, where do I have it? I got my trusty Knipex, which I can use to cut the smaller ones. And for the big one, I could use the handsaw, but I have that one at home, so I'm gonna use the jigsaw for that. I'm sure there is better ways to do it, but you know, just needs to be good enough, nothing else. So we're gonna cut like this, I guess. Or can I go underneath here? I can. Okay, this is okay. Okay, not a problem. Okay, very good. The other side I can make smaller later. But now we basically need to cut this with the Knipex. I'm gonna do on purpose like kinda in the middle, because that means I can trim it later anyways. Look how good that works. That works amazing. Okay. I'm gonna find a comfortable spot though, because this is not really comfortable to do here. Okay, I think that is the best angle I can give you guys. Okay, this is looking good, eh? Here's some threads are coming undone already, which is okay, because I would just need to cut them anyways. So I'm just gonna put a little overhand knot, double overhand knot there to fix that. And then I'm gonna cut the other ones at the end here as well, eh? And then I'm gonna see how much we actually need. There we go. Let's see. I'm just gonna make you a good shot so you can see everything. Oh, look, it's way too long, but it's okay, because that means we can have this. Yeah, this side needs to be definitely cut, this one here. And then we need, wait, don't fall, eh? Jesus. Then we're gonna do, this one needs to be cut anyhow. So we're gonna cut this, and then we're gonna loosen the ends a kinda. I'm wondering if I can do this a little bit more like this. Okay, not the safest way to do it, but a way to do it, you know. Cut this with the Knipex. I'm very happy I had this laying in the basement. So this fits almost, are we talking like a few millimeters? It needs to be a little bit shorter. Even though, I guess like a centimeter. Yeah. I'm gonna take a centimeter off here and then move the rest here, and I'm gonna cut this here. Has sense, eh? I'm gonna do that. There we go. Should work now. Let's see. This definitely works. Okay, I'm gonna push these kind of more into this side here. I'm lucky that we can move them. I love that they're not bound correctly. Really good, which we will do. It's okay because I have thread. I brought thread from home, and we'll make it a little bit stronger. Okay, this is moved to kind of here. So we need to cut this basically, but then in the middle, more or less. Yeah, let's do this. Well, the battery is almost empty, which is okay because I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna take a few every time here. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if that now fits. There we go. Look at this. Okay, now we need to do the length. It's kind of here. I wish I had a clamp so I could put this here for a second. And then I had this here. Oh wait, there's a ring. Wait, I'm gonna try if you can see that. Here is a little ring where the rope went through. And this is like exactly the height that we need. So I have at least a point in which we can go like this. I'm gonna just take it for a moment and roll it up like really strong. Was it this ring or the next one? The next one. Okay. Just keep rolling this one. I would like to have it actually the rolled up part above. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, this is looking very good. I like this. Okay, let me get you back to the bench. I need to charge. I need to charge in a while. So we have the correct length till this ring. So I brought some thread from home. There we go. And we just make like at least 2 of these to fix it for now. Just like this length should be good enough. 1 just for now. Let's make it, should I do 3? I make 3. I can remove it later anyways. So I'm gonna do 3 of those. 3. So I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just gonna take 1 for the middle, 1 for the right side, 1 for the left side. You see they have like lines of rope, and I'm gonna do in between, not on the end, so it falls off. So I do 1 in between here, here, and 1 on the end. So we have a nice little way. That is super simple. I'm gonna do like overhand knot, make it nice and tight, and another overhand knot. That's all we need. Number 1. Now we do the same line, but in the middle. Is this the middle? Kinda. There we go. It's the middle, right? Yeah, it's the middle. Yeah. Also, 1, 2, make it nice and tight, and a second overhand loop. Not loop, not. Still enough to move it, kinda. And the last one. So now move this kinda. Well, we're going there. I like it. I like it a lot. We just keep looking where the original line was here, and we do it, of course, then here. And 1, 2, get it tight, and another overhand loop. Jesus. So this cannot unravel anymore. So this will be our top. For the bottom, I'll have a look, because I already saw that there were a few that coming loose. So the knots were not really good actually. We're gonna fix that. I'm gonna speed this up. We have this rolled up. Right, comes here. Hey, that is looking a lot better, hey? Where this wood can be gone for a second. Yeah, I can put something here. Yeah, I'm gonna put something on the ends, but I like this a lot actually. Okay. Well, we have a proof of concept here. Okay, let me get you. We have a proof of concept here. So now I just need to figure out how to make it so I can fix it in the corners, but remove it quickly as well, because I like this a lot. The downsides, I can do like little hooks, or like, you know what I can do? I can do soft shackles in the corners. Drill a little hole, 2 soft shackles, keep it there. And then I have a little bit of privacy, as well as a little bit of protection about wasps, because they like to fly in here. And we have these Japanese wasps, the orange ones, not far from here. They're kind of aggressive. So yeah, let me lay you down. I'm gonna see what I can do in the corner. Also, I need to charge the camera. Okay, the camera is kind of full again. Really good. What I basically did is, well, first of all, I'm gonna show you the result. Okay, like this. I don't know if you can see, if the camera picks that up against the contrast. But now we have something that protects us kinda against the nasty bugs and gives us a little bit of privacy. Not a lot, but a little bit. So, let me show what we did. I did make a soft shackle here. Not a good one, because it's like kind of like a. Oh, because I did, okay, I'm gonna put you here. Because, oh yeah, I did it like that, yeah. True. Okay. It's not perfect, but this is for opening basically, a soft shackle. Okay, and then all it does is like, you remove this, like see, and then just pull it out, boop, and then the Companionway is completely free. That is really good. I just basically drilled a hole here, a small one, also on the other side of course, everything on the other side as well. Small hole here, and small hole like that. And now I have a super strong, like super strong little holder where I can put other stuff as well. And since the holes are under the Companionway hatch, I don't have to worry about any waterproofing and nothing. So I'm super happy about that. I think that result is really good. I think I like that a lot. Yeah. Okay, let's put it up one more time. Okay, let's see how long it takes to put this up. Shouldn't be so long. One loop in here. Boop. The other one I take like that. The other one is a little bit more ticklish. A little bit more difficult, but that's it. That is super quick. Of course, I need to do something down here because I don't want to use that like every time like this. Have to go down here, through here, and do it like that, you know. Yeah, that's why. I need to find something better solution for this. Maybe just like a little hook underneath here. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Maybe I just do a little hook under here where I can do a little bit of rope, and when I drag, because there's a little bit of play in this, that I can just hook it underneath. I think that is more easy. But I think that is actually quite okay. I mean, of course it's not perfect, but it's okay, eh? I mean, you can do that in like half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour, and have something for the Companionway. And these things are dirt cheap. Like, they are literally made out of bamboo, and I think new they are like 10 bucks if you get like 180 by 2 meters, and that is more than enough for everything else, eh? I even made where's the other one? Look here. I've even, while the camera was charging, this is the rest. This is like the offcut, right? And that would be, what, the back, come here. Even enough for here, if I wanted to, you know. So I'm gonna keep this offcut, and I will probably end up using it for this hatch. Just get some M4 loop nuts, you know, and then I can have one here as well. You know, just put there, and then yeah, still, because you have still like amazing airflow through these, right? But also a little bit of bug safety and privacy. I really enjoy that. I really like that. So the main cabin is coming along nicely, super good. Tomorrow I'm gonna go in the basement, find some more screws for this side, so we can do this also on this side, and then remove the compass and all. But yeah, thank you for watching. I think that is a short and sweet episode. Leave a comment if you have like an idea how we can make that a little bit better. But overall, I really would like to hear your thoughts on this.